right now I'm doing an airsoft review. Airsoft gun review. This is a shotgun, a Stinger P36, I think it's called. Spring, it's 350 FPS. The sight's pretty good, except you have to have heavy BBs or else the bullets rise up. The clip, you just pull it out and put it in, pull it out, push those two buttons and pull it out. It holds 17 and you just push it back in. There's a hop switch right here. It's pump, and then the pistol. This is a Stinger P36. This is some other one. It's the clip holds 13. I broke the clip by accident, so I'm fixing it. The sights are like this. Wait. Just pretty common. The safety level, or the safety is right here. Like it's a little lever. This button drops the clip out. Just take it. The clip holds 13. I'm not sure if I said that. Push it back to cock it. It's 200 FPS. And I would rate this a 4.5 out of 5. And I'd rate this a 4 out of 5. And I guess I'll just see you next time.